Our push button has been frozen in an ice. That is Advent's latest product. Self-powered push button. Its rating is IP47 waterproof and working temperature range is -40 to 60 degrees Celsius. It can be against water, freezing temperature, and UV sunshine. Okay, let's remove the ice outside and let the internal ice melting. Then dip it into 50 degrees Celsius water for 10 minutes. Now the ice inside is melting. After then, let's start the function testing. Press the self-powered push button. You will hear the receiver is ringing. It's working.